No, I can't take one more steps towards you. Just all this waiting is regret. Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You've lost the love I've loved the most. I've learned to live half alive. Now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar apart, tearing love apart. We're gonna catch a call from the eyes inside your soul. So don't come back to me. Who do you think you are? I hear you're asking all around if I'm anywhere to be found. But I have gone too strong to ever fall back in your arms. I've learned to live